but this is where you just delegate the heck out of things. So let's start with that. Like, why do e-commerce sellers or Amazon sellers need VAs?
Well, the first problem is, like you said, I mean, we do it all by ourselves, and in the beginning it's exciting. You're launching a new product, so you putting all the effort into finding the right product, and you invest a lot of thoughts and creativity into creating the bundle and getting to understand how you're going to do it differently, and so everything is creativity here. And then you launch the product and you start to see that, okay, now you have reviews to take care of, and now you have another message from a client, and you have to do PPC, and you have to do social media, and suddenly you're not doing any creativity anymore. Suddenly you are just doing whatever it is that you must do today, because if you don't, then Amazon will close your store. And that is a problem. That is something that we have to understand, that there is actually no difference between selling on Amazon, selling online, and selling outside. I mean, in the offline. When somebody is launching a store offline, they would never think of doing everything themselves. If you launch if you open a shoe store, then you would know that you have to hire sellers, and that you have to pay for the place, and and invest money in it before, and you would never think that you can handle everything yourself. And in here, because everything is just in front of us on the computer, then you just spend hours and hours doing the wrong things instead of growing your business. So your question was, why do Amazon sellers need VAs? Because otherwise they would just be working in their business instead of working on their business. They will just be doing everything themselves instead of thinking how I can look from above and grow my business. That's my answer to that.
Right. And it could be very simple tasks, medium tasks, right up to business operations. You can go as hard and heavy as you want with VAs. Is that correct?
Yeah, I would say that if I go all the way to the extreme, the way I do it is, for every little task that I have, I think to myself, is this something that only me, as the founder of VAA or the founder of the brand on Amazon, is it only me that can take this decision? Is it only me that can handle it? If this is something that needs my attention, because it's something related to where the business is going to be in a year from now, in 2 years from now, how we can grow the business, then I will keep that. But if it's something that somebody else, and take it as let's say that you have an army of Supermans. Okay, so all of them were highly trained, they have what it takes. But somebody else with the right training can take it from you. Then delegate. This is what I do every day. I think, okay, can I give this? Can I give this? And the way I work now is that almost everything is run by my staff of VAs, and every little thing that I have now goes immediately with the right procedures, with the right protocol, but it goes to a virtual assistant that can handle it. And they can handle everything. They can handle little tasks such as checking your listings on daily basis and telling you if you're out of stock, or if you have a negative review on top, and it can go to creating shipment plans, and it can go to doing a great PPC work, and there's no end. They can do it all. You need to know to whom to give what and how to do it.